Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with a project share and this is a fruity fruit swap. It is hosted by Callie Stone at Callie Crafts It All on YouTube. Actually, she has a Facebook group. She's one of the hosts there and they do monthly um, subs. Anyways, so I will link Kelly's YouTube channel down on the description below. You guys want to go over check her channel out, and I will also check oh my goodness, I will also link my partner there. I received her box last week, and I still haven't opened it, so I have been very good. Anyway, so let me go ahead and show you what I ended up creating. So I had this fruity tart paper that I got from Paper Studios when I first started crafting, and this was, let me see, I'm trying to see the dates right here, but it's 2016. It says 2016. It's been about 6 years, and I do believe I got this on clearance. So you guys know might have been there for a year before I got it. So I thought this was so cute. I have been trying to find a way of using this up, and I was so excited I was finally able to use it. So anyways, this is more of papers, like sheets instead of cardstock, so it was a little challenge. So I did have to what is it called when you back it up with cardstock. Anyways, I did use a Scrap Diva Designs die as well, and I'll show you guys what that I don't have the die out here. I don't know where it's at. Anyways, so we were supposed to decorate a basket at a MDEX or an ATC, a sweet treat, sequence mix, at least 2 tablespoons, crafter's choice, store-bought item, or store-bought item. So yeah, anyway, so let me go ahead and show you what I ended up creating. So I did purchase this digital on Etsy, and I thought it was so adorable. And there you guys go. So I did make some rosettes, and I put a little bit of twine, and that's it. I just made it simple. I did not want to overdo it, because yeah. Anyways, so I did make the sequence mix. I did add the butterfly on there. This is a K's Crafts butterfly, and then I did this one as well. And this one is from another paper collection. This one as well. It is from a digital that I had, and I decided to just use it there. I did find the digital paper. I had the envelope already made, so I just added butterflies, and I found this. Somebody had gifted me these, so I just went ahead and put them on there. And then in here is my ATC, and then I did add some of those die cuts on here, so she could enjoy. And there you go. And then I also did the sequence right here, and then I did add some flowers, a rosette, and so I found this pineapple and some flowers in here, and I just did that. And I found this oh my gosh, tassel paper clip, and I added this on here. I wanted to thank Brenda because she helped me come up with something on the side because it was a little too plain, and she just gave me the idea of adding something on the side to make it look nicer. So thank you, Brenda, for the help. Okay, and then here is a gift in here, and then I just went ahead and did the print on the sides. I just folded the item inside. I remember what's in here. And then I had some rosettes already made, and I just added the butterflies on here. So there you go. I went ahead and did this one as well. This one was made by Dina's oh my god, Dina, oh I forget. Oh my goodness, Dina, oh my gosh, I can't remember the YouTube name. I apologize for that, but Dina, if you're watching, I apologize. Callie, you know who Dina is, and I'm just like at a blank right now. So I did add this on here. I figured it kind of went with this, so yay. And then I did have this right here. I just from Dollar Tree. I just got it, and I did have this, so I just went ahead and put it there. It's just like something crazy. So there you go. And then I did put my bows in here. So I believe we were supposed to do, what was it? Bows. Oh my gosh, Dexter Gray box, sweet treat, sequence mix. I thought we were supposed to make both, but if we didn't, we weren't. I put both in here, so I thought they were cute. And then I'm not gonna open it because I already have it packaged up, so I'm going to leave that there. Here is my basket. I did make it simple. Okay, so this is from another paper collection that I had, and this is the Diva Designs Fruity Basket. There you go. And this one was from Tree from Craft On. I found it, and I was like, you know what? I'll just go ahead and use it. So there you go. And I just put some paper, some. Oh my gosh, that filler. I made the strawberry, and there's some items inside. So I did make the strawberry, and I do have a Biggs die, and I went ahead and used that. So I put that in there, and then here is my other ones. Here are the rosettes and another item on here. I can't remember what the item is at the moment because I'm blank. So I just did this right here. I went ahead and just decorated 2 rosettes and left the rest up for her to use as she liked. This one she could pull it out. It is just with a glue dot in there. So yeah, that's it, you guys. So I still have to add my sweet treat, but I hope my partner likes what she receives. I did open. I still have hers. Let me show you.